Hey everybody. I went ahead and decided to cut it in half and put in the 3 pieces that I forgot to put in the original stack in the middle. So I'm getting ready to weld those up right now and then stick the rebar on it, and hopefully that all works. I thought about trying to video that, but that would be very difficult. If I can get something easily set up, I might show you some welding, but yeah, don't count on it. So yeah, if that works out, see you in a minute. If not, later. Sweet. Let's see if my phone lasts through the whole video. If not, didn't figure it'd work anyway. So down there. Yeah. Now see if we can get the rebar on there. Oh, that's gonna be fun. I gotta reset up for that one. Okay, let's see if we can get this rebar on. I gotta turn the welder on first, huh? Those are ugly ass welds, but it'll hold. And I'll put a tag right here in the front. Probably should have. There it is, all welded up, ready for tomorrow. Hopefully it won't be very muddy. I can stretch that out into something. Hopefully a decent looking knife. But yeah, we'll see. Hopefully. Oh yeah, there's my homemade 2x72 belt grinder. A little bit ghetto, a little bit huge, but yeah, my next one will be a lot nicer. So yep, see you guys tomorrow. Later.